Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cocktail umbrella with paper. First, gather your materials. You will need a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, some glue, and a small toothpick. Selecting a vibrant or patterned paper can add a fun touch to your finished umbrella. Make sure the paper is not too thick, as it needs to be easily foldable for the next steps. Now, let's start shaping. Begin by cutting a perfect circle from your chosen paper. Aim for a diameter of about 3.5 inches. Once you have your circle, fold it precisely in half, then fold it in half again to create quarters. Continue by folding it one more time into eighths. Ensure each fold is creased sharply to achieve a neat and symmetrical base for your umbrella. With your folded paper, carefully cut a small slit from the outer edge straight towards the center point. This cut is crucial for forming the umbrella's three-dimensional shape. Gently overlap the two cut edges, bringing them together to create a distinct cone. Apply a tiny dab of glue to secure these overlapped edges firmly in place, holding it until it sets. For the final step, carefully make a tiny hole at the very tip or apex of your paper cone. This hole should be just large enough to snugly fit your toothpick. Insert the toothpick through this hole, pushing it gently until it's positioned correctly. Add a small drop of glue around the toothpick at the cone's base to secure it. Let it dry completely before adding it to your drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.